Hey y'all, welcome to today's video. So, I got some really interesting, really exciting new little products to try out today. This company sent me these UV color changing nail strips. Of course, I'm like a child. Like my inner kid is like screaming out color changing nail strips. It's like mood polish and all that stuff from my childhood that I love. I was like, yeah, send them to me and I will try them puppies out. So here they are. This is what they look like. I just got them today and I can't wait. I'm so excited to try them out. It shows you at the top the color that it is in normal light, I guess, like inside. And then what they look like when you go outside and the sun hits them, they turn into a different color. I will say everything is in Chinese on the front. The directions on the back are also in Chinese. But they did email me the instructions in American or English. They sent me 2 packs. So this is the first one. That's like white and pink with a little bit of marble. And then this one that's gray and white with some marble. And they have little like gold accents on them, which are really cute too. The name of the website I will link down below. If we end up loving these things, I'll put the link down there for y'all. So just click the arrow down in the description and you can shop through the link. And I believe the website is called officialbeautyall.myshopify.com if you want to shop. Let's try these things out. So I did go ahead and buff my nails really well with this nail buffer. And then I filed and shaped my nails to the shape that I wanted them. And then I did take some alcohol and just kind of prep each nail and make sure that they're all clean and don't have any kind of oils or creams or anything like that on them. Okay, so now the nails are prepped. Now we're gonna go ahead and pick out our nail sizes. So like I said, I have these 2 packs. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and mix both of them. I think they'd be pretty mixed together. So I think that's what I'm gonna do, just to try them both out and see. So this is what it looks like. This is what you get in your packet. Like I said, it is all in Chinese, but you can look at the pictures and kind of see each step. So this is what your packet looks like. So you get some nails. So it looks like you get 26 strips. And then you also get a little nail file. Okay. All right. So this is what the other set looks like. Very cute. I'm so excited. So here's both of our sets. As you can see, super cute colors. The prints are really cute. I love the gold details on them. We'll also test it out after we do it. We'll go outside and test it out and see what it looks like. Okay, so I think on the pinky, we'll start out with the gray. Or no, let's do the pink on the pinky. Pink on the pinky. So you just kind of measure out which size fits best. So looks like, I think I'm gonna go with this size here. So you just peel it off, and then I want the gold side, so I'm gonna flip it and do the gold one. Line it up, and then make sure you press it really good. Okay, so then you pinch it, make sure it's all pressed down real good, and then we'll use our file off the edges. So there's one little nail, one nail done. I think beside that one, I think next we'll do the gray marble. So I think this one fits pretty good. Line it up. I like to push it against the edge of my nail so it's really sealed on there. And then file that extra off. Okay, 2 nails down. Next, I think I'll do a gray. So far, I haven't had any issues with like bubbling or anything, so that's good. They feel super thin and pliable. They're not like thick stickers like some nails I've tried. Okay, 3 nails down. Next, I think we'll do the goldish looking marble, maybe. This is really easy. And then, okay, there's what we have so far. And then lastly, I think I want to do pink on the end. There's one hand down. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other hand off camera, and then we'll go outside and see what they look like. Watch them change. Okay, so here are the nails all done. There is another step. It says to put clear polish over your nails, but I'm not gonna fool with clear polish. I'm sure it just seals everything in and makes it look even shinier and nicer. but I just can't stand wearing polish, so I'm not going to do that and then have to wait for it to dry. So I'm just going to leave mine like this. I am going to use some cuticle oil because you can see how awful and dry my hands are. I wash my hands so much and they're just so dry. I'm going to put that around the edges of my nails. Actually, probably should wait and let them set a little before I do this part, but it'll be okay. Okay, so there are the finished nails. How cute, y'all. Look how stinking cute. So cute. So this is what they look like inside. Like I said, you're supposed to put clear polish on at the end, but I'm not going to do that step because number one, I don't even know if I have clear polish. If I do, I don't know where it's at, and I don't really want to fool with polish, and they look really good as is. So I'm not going to fool with that. Now, the fun part. Let's go outside and see them change colors. All right, so we're outside. Let's go watch the color change happen. Here we go. Okay, so this is what they look like right now. We're gonna try to get into the sunshine, although the sunshine's pretty much gone because it's the UV light that changes it. Oh my gosh, I can see it changing already. How crazy is that, y'all? So I can see the grays are turning purple, and then the pinks are turning kind of like peachy-ish. So anyways, that is really cool, really fun. Shout out to the company for sending me these because, as always, I love trying out free stuff. But yeah, I really enjoyed them, and like I said, if y'all want to grab you some, you can click the link below and I'll drop that website down there for you. All right, that's it for today's video, y'all. If y'all like this video, y'all give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, y'all go subscribe and click that notification bell. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.